My administration is taking steps to protect high-risk communities by providing funding for 13,000 community health center sites and mobile medical stations.
President Donald Trump just wrapped up a coronavirus task force briefing where he announced steps to provide care to 28 million people living in medically underserved areas across our country. This as the number of confirmed coronavirus cases in the United States now tops 700,000, with more than 37,000 deaths here. Some states are gradually starting to relax stay-at-home orders, while others are bracing for the virus to hit its peak. Large flag-waving crowds lined the streets of Brookfield, Wisconsin today to protest the governor's extended stay-at-home order. The so-called Liberate Wisconsin protest and others in Austin, Texas and Annapolis, Maryland called for a restarting of the nation's economy. This week, President Donald Trump unveiled a three-phase plan to reopen the country, leaving many of the details and decisions to governors. In his Friday coronavirus briefing, the president said he would like to resume large campaign events ahead of the November election.
I hope we're going to have rallies. I think they're going to be bigger than ever.
In New York State, where more than 235,000 people have tested positive for coronavirus, wearing a face covering in public is now mandatory when social distancing is not possible. Governor Andrew Cuomo says hospitalizations are still slowing, but warned that the state is still not in a good position.
We still have about 2,000 people yesterday who were new admissions to a hospital or new COVID diagnoses.
As the battle against the virus rages on, Boeing, which plans to restart some operations in Washington state in the days ahead, conducted its first COVID-19 transport mission. It flew a 737 jet from China with more than 500,000 medical-grade masks for healthcare workers in New Hampshire. While some states are gradually beginning to ease certain social distancing restrictions, California is keeping them in place as it grapples with its highest death toll yet. Tonight, Lady Gaga and a who's who of music legends hope to provide some relief in a global concert fundraiser, One World, Together at Home.